Hi guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can send audio in Discord. So let's go to Discord first. Log into Discord account. After login, choose person or any group whom you want to send the audio. Go to that individual's profile. Then you have to go this one plus icon. You can see beside the message plus icon. Click on this. Upload a file, the first one. Then choose the audio file from your computer what you want to send. Okay, I'm sending this audio, the first one, and after that it's ready to be sent. If you want to add some message with this audio, just type here, this is audio. Okay, now press enter from your keyboard. After pressing enter, it will process some time, like 1 or 2 seconds, and then it will be uploaded with your message. Okay, so this is how you can send audio in Discord. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.